Hey guys, this is D-Star with Swollen Nerd. I am with a very special friend, special guest, special family member, another Swollen Nerd in general, my boy, the Pizza Man. The Pizza Man spokesperson. More words I can't even think of. Matt McClellan, man. He's doing natural bodybuilding show, the INBA, Tampa Natural. Matt, tell Swollen Nerds who you are, what you are, man. What you got going on?
Well, hello, Swollen Nerds, and I'm a fellow nerd myself. But D, you're right. I'm the pizza industry spokesman. I got that title from creating a pizza-only diet a few years ago to show pizza wasn't a junk food. And by doing so, I ended up getting in the best shape of my life and decided to dedicate my career to not only changing the image of pizza from junk food to health food, but inspiring people, young people especially, how to incorporate their favorite foods into their lifestyle. So because so many things are demonized as bad.
Yeah.
You can't just look at a piece of pizza or a burger or ice cream and say those are junk foods and a salad is healthy or a wrap is healthy. There's so much misleading communication out there about what's good and what's bad for us. So starting with the kids, getting them active, getting them healthy, and giving them a chance to enjoy their favorite foods for a lifetime. And I just live what I preach. I literally put my pizza where my mouth is, and I eat nothing but pizza and do natural bodybuilding shows to show that even a 40-year-old man with 2 kids, 2 restaurants, and the same number of minutes in a day as everyone else out there can do follow your dream, do what you want to do.
And just a brief history, guys. I met Matt 6 years ago, and I'm even getting goosebumps just even thinking about it. Man, I'm 6 years ago. No joke. This is everything that you guys see as far as don't stop following your dreams and don't stop chasing your goals, even if they seem far-fetched. This man came to me and said, "Hey, look, D, I'm getting ready to change the face of pizza." 6 years ago, and the strides and the ups and downs that he has shared with me that I've personally seen, this man has kept true to his word. Now, if I didn't see this show, if I didn't know this person, somebody telling me, man, I ate nothing but pizza to prove a point, about his message, I would have never believed it, man. This guy did this in only 3 weeks. 3 weeks as a message to everybody else, and he still has another 10 weeks to go to do exactly what he's saying to do. When you as people, when you guys say you're going to do something, when you believe something, then heart, do it. Like, Matt, tell them, because y'all gonna flip out with this. Tell them your day-to-day, to dealing with being a father of 2 kids, being a husband, being a business owner, of 2 shops, with a 3rd one on the way, and to be able to train and diet the way that you have to diet.
Yeah. I guess for simplicity, we all get the same number of minutes in a day. So it's about time management and allocating and putting your health first, right? So, for example, if you may have, let's use an airplane, for example. You're on a flight, plane's in distress, first instruction, oxygen mask deploy. First thing they're gonna tell you, secure your mask first before you help everyone else. Now you may have all the skill to save every life in that disaster, in that tragedy. But if you're unconscious blocking an exit, you could lead to everyone's fatality. So I treat my nutrition and my health number 1, because with that, I'm able to wake up, go out in the real world, support myself, support my family, support my friends and people that I love, because I'm healthy enough to. I don't want to be a burden to them, have a stroke or a heart attack, or Lord forbid I pass away, and then I become a burden to the people that I'm out there trying to support. So you got to put your health first. And whatever message you have to do, whatever means you have to do to get that, you got to figure it out. I choose to do pizza because you guys might know a local family member. You may have people in the pizza industry. There's 50,000 independent families that own a small pizzeria or restaurant. And you know what? We don't have any support. We're a voiceless industry. We don't have anybody saying, oh, Dr. Oz said, don't eat carbs, don't eat gluten, don't eat sodium, don't eat pizza, don't eat cheese. So we lose money. And what does that money do? It pays for educations for our children, puts roofs over our heads, offers jobs to the community, supports our cities with taxes and municipalities, and we get attacked because someone wants to sell more DVDs or an exercise program? Not now, not anymore. From now on, those 50,000 families that aren't as outgoing as I am now have a voice. I am a swollen nerd. I am the pizza industry spokesman, and I am living a body built with pizza. So before anyone out there tries to make money at our expense any longer, I hope they look better than the guy they ordered a pizza from on Friday night. Because if they don't, you better check yourself.
Bruh, dude.
Does it get any more real than that?
No, bruh.
Like straight up, if you're not living what you preach, if you have a certificate on the wall that says you're a medical doctor, you're an expert in nutrition, you're a personal trainer, you're a fitness guru, and you know everything about dieting and supplementation, and you get beat by the pizza dude on stage, well, then you can start Friday night delivering pizzas for me. Because then you'll deliver my message.
Yes. Dude.
But in all seriousness though, listen, it all starts with a dream.
Yep.
All starts with action and staying active. My daily routine, I'm a father first. I'm a husband first. I'm an entrepreneur first. I'm an athlete as a hobby. I'm not paid to do this.
Yep.
I'm not a sponsored athlete. I don't get paid to eat, sleep, and train. And I'm a natural athlete. So what does that mean? I don't do anything that's not within the guidelines of a natural federation. So I'm 100% natural. I'm legit. I'm the real deal. I have 2 restaurants in St. Petersburg, Florida. I invite any one of you at any time, if you're in town, to come by for a free lunch on me. I will personally cook for you and welcome you to the Swollen Nerd family. And my boy Deer, he's been nothing but positive. I met D and he looked like this when I met him, right? So first off, I was already like, damn, So I was already like, okay, he knows what he's doing. But I didn't look like I look now. And I had a vision and I had a dream and I had great support from great people who care. And I followed the plan. And now here I am living my dream of getting on stage to change your lives, to inspire you to be the best that you can be. And that's what we're here to do. That's what the Swole movement is all about. And I'm honored to be a part of it. I'm proud to be a part of it. And this is just the beginning for bigger and better things, brother.
Yes, and man, look, guys. I mean, you heard him. I mean, even just standing right here, I'm getting goosebumps because I know the passion that this man has. Like, even for you guys see Swollen Nerd, even for me, dude, he's actually he's a mentor to me as well. Call him up and, you know, when I'm feeling at the lowest, or if I feel like I can't go no more, nah, he keeps it real. He keeps it as real as he kept it real with you guys right now. So look, like the invitation is open. Come to downtown, come to St. Petersburg.
Come on.
Come to St. Petersburg, and there's one getting ready to open up in Wesley Chapel. Come see your boy Matt, Swollen Nerd, the Pizza Man spokesperson. Come by. We looking forward to seeing you guys. Y'all come from all across the world.
I'm talking about.
That's right. Swollen Nerds. Swollen Nerds. You see, we here to inspire you guys. This is for you. I'm getting goosebumps like, girl.
We got ours.
Yes.
We know our passion. We know what we're going to do. I know what I'm going to do tomorrow, and I know what I'm going to do when I hang my apron up and what kind of mark I'm going to leave on the generation behind me. I know my legacy. It's secure. This is about tapping into your untapped potential.
Yep.
What do you want to do?
Yep.
What do you want to be out of life? And if you feel low and you feel like you're unsupported, you don't have the right resources, call D, call me, email me, Pizza Diet Guy Instagram. It goes directly to me. I don't have people, I don't have secretaries, I don't got no red tape bullshit. You come to me directly, and I will do anything in my power to help you fulfill your dream.
Y'all hear it, man. It's an open invitation. Swollen Nerd, Matt McClellan.
I love it.
Yup.
Love it.
Yes. Swollen Nerd, we out, guys. See you.